Hi guys! Welcome to day 8 of our Yoga Academy for Beginners. If you still haven't seen our previous video, check out the previous 7 days. And today we'll talk about hip opening. As you know, or not, our hips hold so much tension, and today we'll release it with a butterfly pose to create space and ease. So we're starting in a seated position. Your sit bones are grounded and you want to place your feet together in their diamond shape. So the further your feet are from you, the easier it's going to be to bend for you and open the hips. And of course, if it's closer, so you need much more flexibility in your hips to let the knees fall apart. So I suggest you to make it slightly bigger to not push too hard. So soles of the feet together, hold them with your hands. Inhale, lengthen the spine, feel the nice stretch, how your head is reaching towards the ceiling, and exhale, release. We'll do 2 more times. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, push yourself closer to your feet. 1 more inhale and exhale. So we still keep our spine straight, and it's still like activating pose where we're trying to reach closer to the mat but not pushing too hard. We want our knees to fall apart gently and naturally. 1 more inhale here, lengthen your spine, and exhale, release. Now we'll do the same pose, but we will not push towards the mat. We will just let our body relax. Even the spine is rounded, is absolutely fine. The target zone is our hips, so we want them to naturally relax over time. So for this pose, you will need to stay much longer, at least like 2 minutes or even more if you have time and there is no sharp pain or something wrong within this pose. So let's get started. Same here. Place your hands over your soles of the feet. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and start opening the elbows, lowering down, not pushing, and release. Feel the nice rounded spine. You will feel the stretch in the muscles on your back. When you open the soles of the feet gently, you will feel how the hips are opening. So these 2 parts are super connected. When you open the feet, hips you create more space in your hips. Stay here, breathe deeply. With each exhale, try to get lower without any force. You can even shake from side to side. That's a nice feeling, so later you can get deeper in the pose. There is no tension in your neck. Neck is relaxed. You can shake your head slightly. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, release. So gently place your knees together and move them to the side. So that's it for today. So today we practice our butterfly pose. It really helps us to open and release the tension in our hips, and this pose takes time to really let our mind understand that everything is okay and we can let our body relax. Thank you for coming today, and I'll see you tomorrow in our day 9 of Yoga Academy for Beginners. Bye bye!